In this video we are going to discuss about the system of forces. So what are the system of forces and what is the type of system of forces? Okay, so coming to the definition part, system of force is a force when several force of different magnitude and direction act on rigid body at different planes. They constitute a system of force. This is the definition. System of force are the different types. We can say the collinear forces, coplanar forces, concurrent forces, concurrent forces, coplanar and non-concurrent forces, non-coplanar concurrent forces, non-coplanar and non-concurrent forces. So in the collinear forces, what it says? Collinear means the force whose line of action lie on a common straight line. So this is a common straight line. Here different forces are there, but these forces are acting in a single line, in a common line. Okay, so here we can say F1, F2, F3, F4 are the forces. They are acting in a single line. It's known as the collinear forces. So what is the coplanar forces? So coplanar means there are different planes are there in a body. So here we can say three planes are there. So here in the first plane all the forces are acting. We can say they are acting in a single common plane. Okay, this is known as coplanar forces. Concurrent forces. So concurrent forces are the force where the different forces are meet in a single point. So this is the single point where the different forces are meet in a single point. It's known as the concurrent forces. So always remember, concurrent force they are meet in a single point. Okay, here F1, F2, F3, F4, F5 are the system of forces. They are meet in a single point. Next is the coplanar concurrent forces. Here its definition part says that the force whose lines of action are meet at a point. The force of lines of action are meet at a point. This is a point where the different forces are meet in a single point and lie on one plane. These are the different planes, but here coplanar and concurrent force, the force will be lie in a single plane like that. So here coplanar non-concurrent forces, the force will be act in a single plane in this coplanar and non-concurrent force, but the forces are non-concurrent means they will not meet in a single point. Here the forces are meet in a single point, but here the forces are not meet a single point. So next is our non-coplanar concurrent force. Non-coplanar means there should not a single plane. We can take the different plane, but the force will be concurrent. So here the definition part says that the force whose lines of action meet at a point but never lie on the same plane. So here forces are in the different plane, but they are never lie in a single plane. Okay, and they are concurrent. They are meet in a single plane. So F1 force is there, F2 force is there, F3 force is there. They are made in a single point. Okay, so this is known as the non-coplanar concurrent force. Finally, non-coplanar and non-concurrent force means non-coplanar means there should not a single plane where the force will be act. Here in different plane is there, so force will be act in the different plane. So it is a non-coplanar and non-concurrent, and those force will be act on this figure, these planes, they are non-concurrent. They will not meet in a single plane. So that's why the force are act in different way in different plane. So its definition part says that the force whose lines of action do not meet at a point and never lie on a plane. Okay, the force whose lines of action do not meet at a point. The line of action do not meet at a point, as well as the forces are never lie on a single plane means they are lie in the different plane. So thank you to all of you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.